Yes, this is an excellent meeting which produced a lot of good outcome.
Yes, from our perspective, we've had a wonderfully successful conference. We've had great attendance across the region with 24 Directors General here.
Australian Customs has created such a friendly environment that all participants were able to discuss in a frank manner, but retaining mutual respect among the participants.
We've brought to conclusion 2 years of work for Australia as the Regional Vice Chair, and we'll be handing over to Malaysia. So it's been a very successful conference.
We focused very heavily on anti-drug strategies, how to deal with transnational crime using new techniques that are emerging such as big data analytics, intelligence and information sharing, and of course through the presentation on the National Border Targeting Centre, the importance of targeting.
Major outcomes are that we've delivered and agreed a regional strategic plan for the next 2 years, 2014 to 2016. We've come up with some great initiatives, in particular the regional anti-drug strategy that we'll be taking to the WCO Enforcement Committee in June.
I think it's really important that you have a number of administrations who are willing to, if you like, act as the initiative leaders. It doesn't mean that they dominate the discussion, but they just produce new ideas, new thinking. That helps them bridge the gap sometimes between some of those smaller states. I know in the Asia-Pacific region, the small Pacific Islands administrations value our role and that of Malaysia and New Zealand and others, and allows us to also provide them with some support.
Australia has been a very good vice chair in that nowadays WCO depends on regional approach.
The other countries in the region do look to us for leadership. We're a strong performer as a customs administration in terms of our modernisation program.
They are very much interested in customs reform, and integrity is very important. So there was a very deep discussion on that.
And they very much appreciate the openness and frankness that we share with them, the problems that we're facing and how we're addressing them.
So sharing the best practice and often lessons learned is very important for customs, because their modernization process is based on how being inspired by the experience of their colleagues. So in this sense, this conference has given a very good opportunity.
Yes, we all face the same challenges, but what that means is that there's a consensus about the shape of the similar sorts of solutions that we need.
I think the regional network is all about sharing best practices and learning from each other. So our role in being involved in this regional meeting is very important.
I really appreciate Australia's role in getting the regional view and always as a model for other regions to support WCO.